Again, another slow one, but it's a very beautiful one too. This one I heard it one of the programs by Sonam. I think it's his composition. It's a beautiful, beautiful slow bhajan, but nice tune. Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara megha shyamala madhava murahara ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ. Today we have Satya, who is home during he goes to college, but he's home right now, so he's going to help us. Hi Satya.
Sairam auntie.
Sairam honey. Since it's a young man's voice and he cannot sing in G sharp and then in my Shruti, so I'm going to push myself to sing in C, because that's the only way we both could sing higher and lower parts. But when ladies, when we are singing, we can go take a pitch anywhere from G sharp to anywhere. C is a little too high. For his sake, we're going to learn this bhajan in C. Okay. Satya, I'm going to sing the whole bhajan, each line twice once, and let's finish that. Then we'll go through the learning. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara. Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara. Megha shyamala madhava murahara. Megha shyamala madhava murahara. Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara. Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara. ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ. ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ. ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ. ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ. ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ. ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ. ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ. That Vadana Ati Sundara, it's a beautiful face, and then having that picture right next to the lyrics, that's the most beautiful face. Thank you, Swami. Okay, now Satya, are we ready?
Yes, auntie.
Okay. So do you have a pitch going on at your end?
Yeah, I have a tampura going on here, auntie.
Okay. So we're going to break each line into half and half, so it will be easier for everybody to learn, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Ghana ghana neela.
Ghana ghana neela.
So it's ghana ghana neela. Ghana ghana neela.
Ghana ghana neela.
Vadana ati sundara.
Vadana ati sundara.
Vadana ati sundara.
Vadana ati sundara.
Sundara. So give double there.
Sundara.
Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara.
Ghana ghana neela vadana ati sundara.
Since you also play percussion and then harmonium, you will know what I'm talking about when you have to give
Yeah.
Sundara. Megha Shyamala
Megha Shamala
Madhava Murahara
Madhava Murahara
Megha Shyamala Madhava Murahara
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara
Ghana Ghana Neela Vadana Ati Sundara
Gana Gana Nila Vadana Ati Sundara
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 Mandasmita Mukha
Mandasmita Mukha
Radha Manohara.
Radha Manohara
So Mandasmita Mukha Radha. So the way it helped with my previous classes when I was teaching is if you say DAH, so the Radha, that ha sound will be there. Same thing Mukha. When we write KHA, but for the phonetics of it, if you say KAH, that may help. Mandasmita Mukha
Mandasmita Mukha
Radha Manohara
Radha Manohara
Govinda Gopala
Govinda Gopala
Natavara Giridhara
Natavara Giridhara
Govinda Gopala Natavara Giridhara
Govinda Gopala Natavara Giridhara
Megha Shyamala
Megha Shamala
Madhava Murahara
Madhava Murahara
Megha Shyamala Madhava Murahara
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara.
You're such a good singer.
Thank you, Auntie.
It sounds very pleasant in your voice to hear this song.
Thank you, Auntie.
So let's go through one more time. Still slow speed. So this time I won't break the lines unless you want me to. If anywhere you have doubts, we can do that.
Okay, sure, Auntie.
Do we need to, or you're okay to sing each line, whole line?
I think I'm okay for each line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ghana Ghana. This is a very slow beat song when you start because of the lyrics. And you just want to enunciate and then bring the beauty of those words. You can picture Swami, a beautiful face. So, Ghana Ghana Neela Vadana Ati Sundara.
Gana Gana Nila Vadana Ati Sundara.
I don't know if it is the computer. I like to blame it on the computer most of the time. To me, you're singing a little faster than what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll slow it down.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, Ghana Ghana Neela Vadana Ati Sundara.
Gana Gana Nila Vadana Ati Sundara.
Vadana
Vadana
Ati
Ati
Sundara.
Sundara.
This is still low for you, I think.
Oh, yeah, I think it's a little low on the low notes.
Ghana Ghana Neela Vadana Ati Sundara.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
It's still sounding a little rushed for me. Neela, Neela, Vadana Ati.
ವದನ ಅತಿ
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
So that vadana ati, I think ati is the only one that goes slow. Vadana.
ವದನ.
You're bringing na down.
Oh, okay.
Vadana ati.
ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
See the difference
Yeah.
slightly? ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
Slow down, okay? ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ. I think again I went to the now lower.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I didn't say anything. You picked up. I could see it in your face. ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
So, when there is a vowel sound, you need to use it to your advantage. And the only way that would be you have to open where the vowel sound is. Radha, Mano. It may be kind of exaggerating it, but what it does is it opens up the vocal cords for you, and then it will be clearer and then louder and easier. It won't strain your voice when you do that.
Okay.
Mandasmita mukha radha manohara.
ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ
ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
Very nice. You are a very good singer. This is unbiased opinion, okay? So, can we do second speed? Even though we say second speed, it is still a little bit slower than normal second speed bhajans.
Yeah.
Gana gana neela vadana ati sundara.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
I want you to repeat that line. I think you know what you did.
Yeah.
Fix that. Yes. Let's go there. Sing again.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
You'll never forget me on that line. I know that. ಮಂದ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
ಮಂದ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
Beautiful. Do you want to sing? And I'll follow you. Only first speak.
Yeah, sure, Auntie. And for this, is it possible? Do you think I should try a higher Shruti? You know, because when I go down, it's hard to kind of enunciate the.
Okay, I'm going to try to follow you. I may squeak then. So you want a C sharp?
Oh yeah, I was thinking. Yeah, C sharp or D, either works.
I don't think I can pull off D, honey.
Okay, I'll do C sharp, Auntie.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
ಮಂದ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ. So okay, if D is comfortable, go with the D. I may sing in falsetto then.
Well, I can try C sharp, Auntie.
No, honey. This is you are leading, so I'm following. So you do what
Okay.
works for you, because if the bhajan leader struggles with the pitch, then the whole thing will come down. So you need to be comfortable with the pitch you are singing.
Okay, Auntie.
Okay.
So I've set my Tanpura to D.
D, yes.
Gana gana nila vadana ati sundara.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
Gana gana nila vadana ati sundara.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
Watch the Shruti. ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
I'm following you, okay?
Oh yeah.
ಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳ ಮಾಧವ ಮುರಹರ.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಗನ ಗನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ
following you.
ಸುಂದರ. Oh, I was repeating it twice because from the start.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
okay. ಘನ ಘನ ನೀಲ ವದನ ಅತಿ ಸುಂದರ.
ಮಂದ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಮುಖ ರಾಧಾ ಮನೋಹರ.
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 ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಟವರ ಗಿರಿಧರ.
That Natavara Giridhara, you're kind of rushing there a little bit. Govinda Gopala, you spaced it very well. So, Natavara Giridhara. See that?
Natavara Giridhara.
Govinda Gopala, Natavara Giridhara.
Govinda Gopala Natavara Giridhara.
Govinda Gopala, Natavara Giridhara.
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara.
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara.
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara.
Megha Shamala Madhava Murahara.
Gana Gana Nila Vadana Vadana Ati
Nati Sun.
Sundara. Auntie, I also had another question.
Yeah.
So the Mandasmita line, the Mandasmita Mukha Radha Manohara, and then the second time singing it,
I
I
heard
changed
you.
up the. So is that right or like?
Yeah, that's as long as you're in the beat, you have a control over it. Mandasmita Mukha Manohar. So you're extending it, that Radha. So you need to start sooner as you
Yeah.
figure it out. So I'm just making this comment for others to understand that if we are extending anywhere, somewhere you have to, speed up. So you're starting Radha Ra sooner than the first version.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong, but very important. That's a good question, because if it's in the heart and then something is prompting you to do that, and as long as you are comfortable, you are confident, then go with it.